guys, hi, my name is Wiltasha and welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm going to do a skincare routine. I'm going to focus it more on what I do when I come home from work, like a day-to-day basis. And I'm pretty sure just like everyone else, your skincare routine does change when it comes to, I don't know, your face being oily or feeling more dry, or when you have breakouts, you know, like when you take off your when you wear makeup and things like that. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys a little closer. We're going to go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so on a normal day when I come home from work, as you can see, I got my little basket of goodies here. When I come home from work, like I do work with people and money and things like that, and I do have a habit of sometimes touching my face. It does kind of feel kind of, I don't know, dirty. I'm going to go in first with an oil-free cleansing towelettes. It's like pink grapefruit, you know, like the Neutrogena type ones, but this is Equate Beauty. I believe I pronounced that right. So this is their facial wipes. This is kind of compared to the Neutrogena ones. It is the grapefruit ones. I don't really need to do it now because I didn't go to work, because unfortunately my morning didn't start off too well. My baby girl was not feeling well. She had a high temperature, so I had to like take her to the emergency room or whatever. But, you know, I want to go ahead and do it for the sake of this video. So I just take my wipe and I just wipe off my face. Now, I already took a shower and brushed my teeth because it is like late and I am getting ready for bed. Normally, I do my, I'll brush my teeth and wash my face first before I hop in the shower. But, you know. After I do that, I go in with a toner. And I usually use those cotton rounds, but I ran out. I don't have any more. I do have two toners here. I have Hazel aloe vera formula. It is alcohol free and it is infused with rose petals as well. I also have a second toner, which is the aloe vera 90% toner. It is soothing and moisturizing. I do have two. I normally go in with this one here, the aloe vera one. It smells like so good, you guys. It smells so like fresh and so clean. It has a little skirt thing. And the same with this one, but it has a little flip top. Now I did get both of these from Target. This is a little sample size one, this one here. But I usually go in with this one. So I'm going to go in with this one since this is the one I normally use. And I'm just going to take like a piece of a napkin. So now it's time to really get into the actual washing of the face. I do have a bowl of water here. I got my little bowl of water. I have two things here that I wash my face with. So I used to use the, I forgot what it's called. I'll try to put it on the screen so you guys can kind of see what I used to use. I used to use that because it does like suck all the oil out your face. But when I used to do that, it did leave my skin dry, so you have to put the moisture back in, so your face won't produce extra oils and that. But I use a moisturizer that was moisturizing but oil free. If you get what I'm saying, I'll try to show it on the screen so you guys can see it. But I did get two face washes because my face was kind of getting used to that. Those products. I do have here a Garnier, I believe that's how you pronounce it, SkinActive vegan formula deep pore facial cleanser. It is relatively new. It is also made with green tea. It has no parabens, dyes, silicones, and sulfates. And this is how it looks. Has a little pump right there. Always good. I also have a Bliss product that is like a fab foaming type thing. It is a 2-in-1. It is a cleanser and exfoliator, and it comes with bamboo buffers, and it looks like this. It is blue. And you guys, this smells like, the smell of this, it smells so bomb. It's so good. I normally use this one because it's very lightweight. It feels kind of like watery, but you can tell it is actually cleansing it. This is something I normally use on a day-to-day basis, but my skin needs a little bit extra love, just a little bit. So I'm going to use the Bliss one today. It's cruelty-free, and I feel like a lot of products come with either being vegan friendly or cruelty free because of, you know, the era we're living in. It is very common. So I'm just digging my hand in that water and I'm just wetting my face. Pump the pea size just like that. I rub together and I just start rubbing it on my face. Alright guys, so after you're done washing your face and you feel like you got it real good, I say about at least 60 seconds, you go ahead and rinse it off. I'm just gonna use this rag here. I'm gonna dip it in that water and I'm just gonna start like taking off that face wash. I went ahead and rinsed that off. I did get up to rinse it off completely because it was getting a little messy over here. So my skin is feeling so clean. It feels like a lot of the oily feelings that I was feeling like in this area is gone. I do dry my face with a napkin, cause I do sometimes dry my face with face cloth, but I just feel like it's holding dirt. Honestly, I be like, I don't know about that. You know, little dirt thieves that be flying around sticking to. But a napkin, however, you can use it, throw it away, be done with it, get a new one, and so on and so forth. Now, the next thing I'm going to do. It varies. Now, don't do this every day. This part I'm going to show you next is just something I feel like I have to do because I have not done a face mask in a while. So I want to do a face mask. I'm going to do 2 different type of face masks. Actually. So I'm going to do 2 type of face masks. I do have the Aztec Health and Beauty Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask, deep pore cleansing, and all that good things. I know you guys have heard of this product already. It's all over YouTube and whatnot. So I'm going to use this as my main mask. I already got a mixture here. I do use the mask. I do mix it with my organic White House apple cider vinegar. This little thing here. The second mask I'm only going to use on my nose area because this is like my oily spot, my trouble area, and I want to like get whatever's in there, really get it out of there. So I'm going to use my Powerful Peel Off Black Mask, the chocolate infused kind. I did do a video on this. It was funny, you guys. I'm going to link it up here so you can watch it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. So I'm just taking a little bit. Hey guys, I have been at a stump because I really want to start like posting more videos. I'm so excited because I ordered some stuff from BH Cosmetics, some brushes, some palettes, and all that good things. So I'm so excited. Makeup videos gonna be lit. I've been really like stumped though really about what YouTube videos I want to make. Like I have ideas, it's just I get to that point I'm like, is that good enough? Is that really what I want to do? You know, like I don't want to just make videos just to make content. I really want to make videos that I like and I love and that I think people would like and love. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Alright, so I think that's good. So I decided to start listening to Audible. I know you guys heard of that. Listen to more inspirational stuff so I can kind of get back in the groove and hopefully ideas start flowing back to me. Oh my gosh, now it's oozing out. You know what? So I got some notebooks here. Got my pens, you know, my little pens to get me started on writing down some video ideas, and I feel very confident that something's gonna work out, you know. Let's go ahead and start applying this. Alright everybody, so I am done. It is feeling good. Yes. So you're supposed to let these both sit. I believe it's 10 to 15. Okay, this one's supposed to be 20 to 30 minutes. And the other one is supposed to be, okay, because it said, oh, well, it's 2 types. For delicate skin, it's 5 to 10 minutes. For normal skin, it's 15 to 20 minutes. Mine is kind of like in the middle, so I'll just say 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and let those sit, and I'll catch you guys later. Alright, guys, but I wanted to come show you guys how I look before I go wash it off. It's so tight. It's in there. Can y'all see I kind of got a little bit of this mask on this mask because I forgot this was there. Anyways, so this is how it looks all dry and cracking because I was talking. And yeah, so it's ready to come off. It does itch a little, like in this areas here. It doesn't do it all the time. I think it's probably does that because it probably need a little extra help in that area. I'm not sure. But, oh, it's kind of hard to talk. Tight. So I'm going to go wash this off and peel this off and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I have washed that off. My face is feeling good. I'm happy. I needed a face mask really bad. I did real quick want to show you guys with the nose part, you don't have to actually have to use that mask thing. I do have the Biore charcoal pore strips for your nose. I do use this too, but again, you know, I was doing one face mask while now I used the other. But this is good as well. Just saying. We are now down to the last few steps. Okay, so the next thing I do is use this HD5 Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum. It's Skin Nutrients from New York. This is from Dollar Tree. Yeah, so it was only $8. I do use this for my eyes. I don't really... The main reason is not really like dark circles, which I kind of do have, but mainly like puffiness, because like I don't really get that much sleep, so I really like to have something to help with that. I use this at night and in the morning, and it has a little metal ball on it, as you can see, which is very soothing to the eyes. So I just put some product on it, put it at the top. You don't really need a lot of this because a lot does come out, and I just rub that in just a little. I just rub that all over my eye, and I just recently started using it. Can't really tell if it's working or not, but I do like the way the little metal ball feels. Before I finish that, I like to go in with this Pacifica Dreamy You Day and Night Cream. It says refuses to obey time. Feral cell complex with concentrated floral stem cells, powerhouse antioxidants for all skin types, which is really nice. It helps minimize the appearance of fine lines. It deeply moisturizes to promote a lifting effect and improve radiance. So this is a day and or night cream. So I'm just going to use this and just put it on my finger and apply that all over my face. And then I'm just going to rub it in. And I tried to rub up because I was told when I was younger, I used to rub up when you moisturize and stuff like that. So you won't have to get wrinkles. Not sure how true that is, but I do it. And you guys, this stuff is really good. It really is very moisturizing. I really do like it. My last and final stuff that I have recently been doing, but I only do this at night, not in the morning. In the morning, I'll probably just wash my face with this. Well, I actually use Witch Hazel, any toner I have, I wash my face with this, and then I will use that serum under my eyes and this moisturizer. That's what I do only in the morning. Now at night, I have recently been using this African Shea Butter for your skin and hair. I've been using this on my face, or I've been using this sweet almond oil, or I've been using that black castor oil that I recently got that I use on my daughter's hair, because they are all very good for your skin. I'm gonna use the sweet almond oil because even though this African Shea Butter is really good, I use it on my body as well. It does have a smell that I'm not really too fond of. I know it's good for you, so I try to use it as much as I can, but for now I'm just going to use a little bit of this almond oil. So it does have the little dropper here, so you can just take some of that and just place that on your face. If you're wondering, my skin type is more on the oily side, but I do not like to deprive my skin of oil anymore. I realized doing that, my skin has really been like breaking out, and with the breakout, it is causing like dark marks and things like that. I don't know if you can kind of see like that. That is because I used to just suck all the oil on my face and not really put it back. Again, that's why I only do it at night, because like who wants to walk around with an oily face, especially when you're going to work and stuff like that. It's been really liking it. Okay, so just rub that in really good. Now I know my face looks oily, but this is what I've been doing lately, and it's really been helping. So you guys, yeah, that is the end of this video. That is all I do for my face care routine. I will try to link, I will put all the items I did use in the description box below. I will try to link everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. You feel me? I'm trying to get, my goal is try to get to 200 by the end of this month. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna pray. And hopefully, right? So yeah, but you know, it's all on me. I have to put out videos, and hopefully the people that watch it, like you guys, like it. So yeah, you guys, if you do like this video, again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and again, most importantly, subscribe. My name is Wiltasha. I enjoy making this video, and you guys have a good night.